Brooklyn Grange is a privately owned and sustainably operated enterprise, and the U.S.'s leading soil-based rooftop farming and intensive green roofing business. Community-oriented, they host weekly open houses in season and feel the green space contributes to the overall health and quality of life, bringing people together through green business and around good food with their wholesale, retail, and CSA members. Their goal is to put more farms on roofs throughout New York and beyond, and grow more food, train, and employ more farmers. Brooklyn Grange's second farm, located atop building number 3 at the historic Brooklyn Navy Yard, is a massive 65,000 square foot roof towering 12 stories over the East River. Most of the financing was granted by the Department of Environmental Protection's Green Infrastructure Stormwater Management Initiative, and farm number 2 manages over 1 million gallons of stormwater each year. Installed in 2012, the farm is covered in 10 to 12 inches of Rooflight Intensive AG blend, Rooflight Drain granular drainage layer, and the Carlisle Roof Garden System by Carlisle Syntec. Brooklyn Grange's second farm increased the business's annual yield to 50,000 pounds of fresh produce between their 2 locations and created many new green jobs. The farm cultivates row crops such as leafy greens, aromatic herbs, heirloom tomatoes, and peppers, April through November, and sows cover crops such as clover and oats in winter months to prevent soil erosion and replenish vital nutrients. The Brooklyn Navy Yard farm is also home to many of the 30-plus hives comprising Brooklyn Grange's apiary. They also host a robust events program here, with guests participating in yoga sessions or just enjoying a cocktail and some canapes overlooking the skyline at sunset. They partner with numerous nonprofit and community organizations to extend the positive impact of the farm, including City Growers, a nonprofit education program based on their rooftop farms. Brooklyn Grange's rooftop farm number 2 at the Brooklyn Navy Yard is a win-win-win, reducing stormwater runoff, creating local jobs, and providing access to fresh produce for the community. For more information about this project and many more, explore the International Green Roof and Green Wall Projects database at Greenroofs.com and join our mailing list so you don't miss out on any of the green roof and green wall news and upcoming projects of the week.